sound quality in the jams, like the sound quality and the sound volume, I guess. We were having problems with the audio, and hope you enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, A vs L. And today we will be doing the What Flavour Does It Taste Like Blind Taste Test Challenge. So we will be having 6 different types of chocolates and 4 different types of jams to try, and if you get them right you get 1 point, and there will obviously be 10 rounds if you knew that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So person with the most points win, I guess. So let's just get straight into it. Ready for the jam.
First jam.
You go first. No, I have to do it at the same time. Oh, have we done it yet? Nope. Ah, it's all sticky. Or, I don't know. It's a bit like orangey. I think royal fig. I'll choose royal fig. I'm going with marmalade. Okay, locked on. Okay, ready for the next jam.
Second jam.
Okay, what's this? Ah. I'll do raspberry. Whatever. Red raspberry, I don't know what it's called. Strawberry. I'm going with strawberry, I think. Okay, ready for the third jam. Chocolate. I can't wait till it's chocolate. Come on.
Third jam.
Okay, so almost second last jam. So, it's on the plate. Okay. Ooh. Marmalade. My hand up for marmalade. Who thinks marmalade? Me. You. I got it right. I have a feeling you're picking. Wait, no. Raspberry. 100% raspberry. That is it. I'm done.
And what did you
No,
guess?
that was strawberry. Completely got mozzarella. Okay, so. No, marmalade. Okay, he's going for marmalade. I go for raspberry. Completely different. Okay, last jam. Can we open our eyes at the end? At the end of the jam, so yeah. Okay. Oh. Well, I've only got one more option, so that's what I have to say. Unless I can get myself. Strawberry.
You said the last one was strawberry, Angus.
What? No, I did the last one marmalade. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with fig because that's my only option. No. So my first one was raw fig. Second one was raspberry. Third one was marmalade. Fourth one was strawberry. I've made mine because I think that's more like a strawberry flavour. I think that one was strawberry, but my only option left is fig. So 3, 2, 1, open your eyes. So, Mum, what did we get?
The first one was orange marmalade, so you were correct.
Yes!
The second one was strawberry, so you were also correct, Lachlan. The third one was fig, no one was correct. And the last one was raspberry.
Yeah! Oh,
no one got it.
I got 0 points! 0!
0 out of 0.
0. I won. I got I failed. 0 out of 4. 0 out of 4. Just let me see. Okay, now we're ready for the chocolate. So the scores are 2-0 now. Now we're ready for the chocolates.
Okay. Come on. Hold your hands out.
Taste chocolate.
The
chocolates are like different sizes, so we have to have our hands like so we can't feel these. And this is a first chocolate. Huh?
Oh.
I love eating chocolate. Oh. I think that is the familiar taste of the Freddo Frog / normal chocolate.
Oh, that is Freddo Frog.
Freddo Frog.
Freddo.
Okay, that's what I'm going for.
Yeah. I agree with Freddo.
Okay, hands.
Wait, what are the options again? But don't tell them
No,
anymore.
no, it doesn't matter.
Mum, what are the options again?
I'm going with milk.
Angus should choose this.
Okay. Go. Angus, go. What are you going to choose?
That dark one of the circles. What is that called?
The dark baking.
You like the dark one of those circles?
Yeah, I know. It's the dark baking chocolate.
Okay, dark baking.
I'm going with milk baking chocolate. Okay. Next one up.
Why do we even need our plates?
I don't know. We'll say it at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Right.
Dream, right. Yeah,
White.
same thing.
It's not dream, it's white. Dream's like
white chocolate. Yeah. I got it right. I'm finally gonna beat it.
No, you didn't. You might not have.
Hands.
We say it at the same time.
Wait, did you? Wait.
Now that was the light version of the circles. What is it called?
Dark baking. Dark baking.
Mum, light baking, whatever it is.
Milk baking.
Milk baking. Oh yeah, I'm gonna win this.
Dark baking easily. That is so simple. You have the worst taste buds in the world.
I ate chocolate more than you. Well, I don't know about that because you were such a sneaker.
Gussie.
At the
Wait. He
Wait,
hasn't
has
even
Angus
tried.
had it yet?
No, he's eating it now.
Okay.
Oh, this is so
3,
easy.
2, 1.
Raspberry. But let's say raspberry. Give me that plate. How many chocolates to go?
Last one.
Okay. Oh yeah. Then it's obvious, I think. Dark chocolate.
Well, the one that I haven't said, what is that?
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Okay.
What brand?
Lint, I think.
What are the options?
Okay, I'm done.
Well, that's the last one that I haven't chose yet. Write that down.
Okay.
So the results are in.
We started at 2-0.
Basically, the only thing that you disagreed on was the cooking chocolate. Gussie's thought.
No, and these ones as well.
Yeah, the 2 cooking chocolates, dark and milk. You switched them round.
Yeah.
Lachlan
Got them right.
got 6 out of 6.
Oh, yeah, boy!
Gussie mixed those 2 up, therefore got 4 out of 6.
So I won 8-4. I doubled his score because I'm so good. See, I told you I'd beat you.
That's just wrong.
It's right for me to win all the time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and also we're going to be doing a little challenge. So we found some really funny videos of Angus, really funny photos of Angus during the video when we were recording, and I stopped it at the exact right time. Whoever can find the best caption for these videos, so we're going to turn them into memes, will win. So that's it, I guess. Bye!